in terms of the age recognition, where do you see the use cases there with age recognition? And how accurate is age recognition? What does that really mean to the consumer?
Yeah, age recognition is very accurate. Again, even with facial recognition, today is the worst day we'll ever be. And I say this a lot, but it's true. Today is the worst we will be at this type of recognition. And so with our age models, I think we're at a mean average error of 2.5 years, meaning that we will predict your age within 2.5 years on either side. So it's very accurate. And when you're talking about a retail environment where, legally, if you're under 30, you need to be carded, or over 30 to buy alcohol, you don't need to be carded. We're absolutely hitting those marks. So the most demand that we're seeing for age verification software is in these retail environments to automate processes for tobacco purchases, alcohol purchases, and then also in the gambling space. So we're seeing a lot of demand in casinos and then overseas for entry into gambling environments.